Good morning, January 11th, and we're walking into some very familiar themes here, but China's imports rose to a record announced over the weekend. Dollars falling, commodities are rallying, emerging markets are stronger, and there continues to be some takeover and some consolidation activity in some of the most exciting sectors on the consumer side and emerging. As Heineken's going to be buying FEMSA, Latin America's largest beverage distributor. Looking at the overnight, China up 52 basis points, India flat, Malaysia up 12, South Korea flat, Taiwan up 52. Technology and Taiwan, everything from flat panels to semiconductors, continue to be a very exciting place to play. Looking into Eastern Europe, and you're seeing Russia open up after being on vacation all year, so the market revaluing against some of the other gains around it, up 6%, probably in real terms about 2% today, though. Very strong day with oil stronger and commodity levels booming. But the currencies are what's really driving these underlying markets. Hungary's up 2.8%, the Hungarian forint up 1.15%, the Polish zloty up 1%, the Czech krona up 1%. So weaker dollar, again, a theme. It's Groundhog's Day. Turn the clocks back to 207, and we've seen this before in Latin America. Brazil opening up 88 basis points, Chile up 87 basis points, South Africa up 59 basis points, and the currency probably the least performers of the commodity-producing nations up 30 basis points. Again, reminding on the China data, the other big news over the weekend is Hugo Chavez has devalued the currency in Venezuela. Inflation will be affected here, but the short end of this is actually it really does help the Brazilian debt story, which is starting to come under some pressure. So just keep an eye on that. But Venezuelan equities are really far from the reach of retail these days, as Chavez over the last couple of years has put most of these companies in national hands in Venezuela. Again, looking at iron ore, looking at coal, looking at steel, looking at copper, looking at the main building block type commodities to continue to get a ride here. The dollar's broken through the 20 moving day, somewhere around 77.30, sliced right through that. In fact, looks like it's heading to the 50-day. I think you got a couple of days of this rally. The other part of today's story is you get the beginning of earnings season in the United States. Alcoa out after the bell. People will look at aluminum prices relative to where the stock is trading and probably bid it up along with others in similar situations. In other words, the underlying commodity is 20, 30, 40% off the lows. The share price, which was punished on the way down, has not priced that back in. If you believe aluminum prices stay at 110 a pound, you want to be long Alcoa here.